wanted a bog, a piece of rock, something falling into the ocean, eighth of an acre or bigger. It must have access to the sea or a river big enough that will go to the sea, such that could fit like a small cabin cruiser. And it must have access to a road. It could be at the end of a track. I've been trying for several years to get something through estate agents, and they won't acknowledge anything under 50,000. I've tried Facebook, I've tried other social media platforms, and it's all been scams. Literally all scams. They won't do anything unless you send a deposit, which is a scam. No way in hell will I ever send money to someone without meeting them first. So, if you know of anything, it could be a bog, it could be a piece of rock, it could just be something that is actually underwater.